As you can see, we got the ground a little moist right here, cleaned out of an area. We also have a salt block back here. We got our feeder over there, camera's right there, the deer blind's gonna be over there. But what we'll do is we'll clean this area, wet it a little bit, sprinkle it. I like to put mine on a line, because that way if you got more than one deer, you get them stacked up on each other. I put mine out like that, put a little bit more out, just say I'm cheaper. Put my next one. I'm gonna put it right beside it. Put it right here. Right there. I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna put them crazy minnows in the middle of it. Get a good pile of it. Pile it up. And your next step, get out of here, get some pictures on your camera, start preparing for which one you want to put on your hit list for this year. Remember, Bucks and Beards. See us on our website, on excuse me, Facebook, Bucks and Beards. Thank you, y'all.